Hi guys, and welcome to my video. Today I'm going to do a set with a combination of crystal nails with dried flowers and a couple of nails with this beautiful Madame Glam. It's a shimmery muted aqua color. It's just beautiful and it's called Irresistible. And I have already put on some base coat and I am going to continue with the next step. You don't want the delicate dried flowers that you have to break, so you have to be really gentle when you handle these, and that is a task for me because I am a klutzy person. Okay, let's see. And okay, so I think this should work out okay. That color combination there. Let me just show you guys what I'm thinking about doing. A combination. I think it's gonna look good. Come on, baby. There we go. That's better. That is better. Okay. Okay, that's on for the most part. Now I am going to cut a little piece of this off. Okay. Then I am going to take this pretty ooh, that is so pretty. I'm really excited about that. That's gonna look gorgeous. Okay, so this one, it's not perfect. It looks a little lumpy, but I will take care of that a little later. I'm gonna work on this one now. I added some glue. I'm adding some of these beautiful flowers. Okay, so I'm gonna hold that in place with this bag. Okay, see, that holds it down a lot better. Okay, so then I'm going to hold this down here. Okay, now I'm going to top coat. I am going to probably buff this down a little bit and top coat it again. Then I'm going to top coat the underside of these. Okay, so now I'm going to add my beautiful Madame Glam Irresistible. I love this. It's so pretty. It's got shimmer in it. This beautiful aqua color. It's like a light teal. Here is the final look.